So I want to show you this cute little folding hair dryer that I just picked up from Revlon. I absolutely love it for traveling as it does fold up and it is quite small and compact. It's got 3 settings. Well, it's got 2 settings: high, low, and then it's got this cool air button. So when you know you're blow drying your hair and you're all hot and you just want like a breath of fresh air or like a little cool burst, you just hold that button down and it's cool. What I also really like about it is it's got this 120 volt to 250 volt. So if you've ever traveled in Europe and you're blowing a fuse, even though you have a converter on there, it's because the different wattage of outlets. So I love that it has that choice, as I do travel to Europe quite frequently. And yeah, it's got a circuit breaker thing on here, and yeah, I'm just overall really happy with it. It's lightweight, it folds, so if